Ready? Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! He's up. Hold up. Alright, you guys go over there. Okay. So what do you guys think? Yeah, but what do you guys think you can do to make it easier? What you can do? No, because I think that's cheating. What do you guys think? No, don't worry about them. Focus about what's happening here with your group. Guys, remember the values? Remember the values?
We were team working.
Yep. No, that's good. Yep, that's good. So teamwork. What's another thing you guys should work on?
Trust. We were trusting each other.
Oh,
let's go with
Yep. Right, boys. What a shame, He's my book.
Oh, no. I'm just
And what else? Communication. Oh, no, that's what they should. What do you guys reckon you could do to be even faster than you were just then?
No, but they've changed it. No, they did it together, so they just realised
doing it faster. Doing it faster.
How
would you guys do it? How would you guys do it?
We could have done it faster.
Plan it first. Alright, so what I want to do this time is you guys are going to mix up. You guys are going to go over there. You're going to go over here. You guys are going to go over here. Okay, so now, boys, remember the value right here. You're just breaking respect.
Hey, look, they still haven't done it.
Right, so go. Link arms. Nah, that's the thing. You can't grab each other. You can't grab those two. Nah, you can't. You gotta mix it up. But you can't grab the person's hand next to you.
What are you doing now?
Yeah.
Like that?
Right, hold it there. Alright.
Now play.
Wait,
what? Put your arms.
Wait, no, stop. Wait, stop, guys.
Put your arms together. I've got a good idea. Put your arms together, please.
Wait, guys. Guys, you ain't gonna get anywhere like this. Well, you have this honey tea. It's not. Remember the values, bro. Respect. Respect. Alright, you guys ready? Hold it. Okay, you guys ready? Ready?
They're already going.
Alright, wait. Ready? Hold it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Stop! Now stop!
Quick, hurry!
You get up! Go!
Phoenix, bro! Right, come in as a team. Hey guys, okay, so what made it easier for you guys that time?
Nah, because they do that.
Wait, come in, let's give them some respect. Alright, what is it that made it easier for you guys that time? Teamwork. Yep.
And we just had to think who wanted to go down first.
So you have to think about it as well?
Shut up!
Nice. Skills? Okay, now I think this team talk. Brothers, what happened in that second time round?
No, wait.
No, wait.
I was ducking under and then you got under.
So what happened? Yeah. So you guys banked in and you didn't let go. So what happened? They could have gone better. Listening skills. Okay. I want to try this one more time, but this is the final. This is the final finale. All right. Say one. You on this side.
Yeah, you on that side. How are we holding hands? Forgot.
Me and this guy.
Me and that guy. Now, when your hand on the top here like that. So open it. So you just gotta go down.
Yeah, open it. We gotta share.
Oh yeah, it was this one.
Oh. I gotta jump through the middle of you.
You guys ready?
Nice work,
ready?
boys. Nice work.
Set.
Go under. No, swim, speed. Go under. Who goes? Use names. Use names. Use names.
I think cheater.
One just went under and couldn't it?
Yeah, you can't do that. Stop lying, man.
He jumped over my hand.
Yeah, as soon as you said go, this guy just went under his finish.
Yeah, you guys already had it pretty sus.
No,
Go, stop.